circumstantial contradiction. Ano po ito? This type of supposed contradiction shows a distinction in the overall picture of an event, the quality of the situation, conflicting records, or to the exactness of statements. So, case number 1. Sabi ng Matthew 9:18, ito'y tumutukoy doon kay Jairus nung siya po ay pumunta sa Panginoong Hesus para mag-request na pumunta ang Panginoong Hesus sa kanyang tahanan at pagilingin ng kanyang anak. In Matthew 9:18, ang sabi dito, while he spake these things unto them, behold, there came a certain ruler and worshiped him, saying, my daughter is even now dead. But come and lay thy hand upon her, and she shall live. Pero sabi ng Mark 5:23, and besought him greatly, saying, my little daughter lieth at the point of death. I pray thee, come and lay thy hands on her, that she may be healed, and she shall live. Ang tanong dyan was, when Jesus met Jairus, his daughter had just died or was at the point of death? Ano ba talaga? Mamamatay pa lang o namatay na? Mamamatay pa lang ba? Even now dead? Or at the point of death? Or patay na? Okay? So, ang susi niyan ay yun doon sa phrase na even now. Even now is an idiom. At ang sabi ng dictionary, it is used to stress that something is or was happening at a particular time. Nangyayari pa lang. Mangyayari or nangyayari na. They are even now preparing for His arrival. Pangalawa, used to stress that something, such as a person's attitude or behavior, was or is very surprising and unexpected. Despite all that went wrong, He insists even now that He would do it again. Merong mga, sa Bible ginagamit po yan, merong mga terminology, nagamit sa Bible po ito, sa Deuteronomy 31:21, nagamit yung even now po dyan. Sa 2 Kings 5:22, nagamit yung even now. Sa Luke 19:37, nagamit na in connection with He was come nigh, even now at the descent of the Mount of Olives. Nahuli. Yan. And in Matthew 9:18, while He spake these things, yun yung verse po natin, even now dead. We should acknowledge why even now was used in the book of Matthew. Doon sa verse natin na may conflict. Jairus is emphasizing the need for Jesus to come to his house. Gusto niya papuntahin ng Panginoong Jesus kasi yung anak niya namamatay na. His daughter was at the point of death as was stated in Mark chapter 5. Yun yung statement ni Jairus dun eh. Ang anak ko nasa point of death na siya. And is telling Jesus to come that she might be healed. Jairus does not specifically said his daughter was already dead. Hindi niya naman sinabi na patay na eh. Ang sinabi niya, even now dead. Anong ibig sabihin, sir? Kung ganon. Even now is used in Matthew to convey the urgency of the situation. Ginagamit yun para sabihin na talagang nasa bingit na ng kamatayan, talagang mamamatay na, mga kapatid. Kaya gusto niya talagang papuntahin ng Panginoong Hesus po doon. Ang comment ng isang pastor, ni Pastor Gregory na, sabi niya, both must be correct. Most likely, he made the statement in the book of Matthew after the one in Mark. Para sa kanya, yung sinabi dun sa book of Matthew Matthew chapter 9, ay nangyari pagkatapos sa Mark 5, yung dun sa unahan. But even though, mga kapatid, may kita natin na yung Mark chapter 5 po na yon, verse 35, tignan niyo po. Punta tayo ng Mark 5, verse 35. Yung verse natin na sa verse 23. Okay? Ang sabi ng verse 23, besought him greatly, saying, my little daughter lieth at the point of death. So yun yung statement niya. Pagdating mo ng 35, meron pong dumating na ruler of the synagogue's house. At ang sabi niya, nagbalita siya kay Jairus, sabi, thy daughter is dead. Kailan dumating yung information na patay na yung anak niya? Later pa. Nag-usap na sila ng Panginoong Hesus, umuo na ang Panginoong Hesus na pupunta sa bahay nila, pero sa gitna nun, nandun po yung istorya ng babae na may issue ng blood. Doon nangyari yung sa gitna. Pagkatapos nun, saka may balita sa verse 35, dun lang nasabi na patay na yung anak niya. Okay? So we must understand, balik tayo dun sa ating passage, sa ating PowerPoint, mga kapatid, na when the Bible tells na ito, yung even now, wait lang. Okay? Ginamit ni Jairus yung even now para ipakita or para sabihin din sa atin, malaman din natin kung gaano siya kaseryoso na papuntahin ng Panginoong Hesus sa bahay niya. Kasi nasa bingit na po talaga ng kamatayan. So when we say, even now dead, talagang ganun na, pamatay na talaga. Okay? But later on, nalaman niya, namatay na talaga. But even though ganun, alam natin yung istorya, mga kapatid, sabi ng Panginoong Hesus, di siya patay, natutulog lang, nabuhay naman yung bata. But that is just, itong mga bagay po na ito, binibigay ko lang po sa inyo dahil meron pong mga tao na may alam tungkol sa mga bagay nito sa King James Bible and we must be prepared in answering them. Ng ating hope, ng ating book, na ating pinangawakan, hindi tayo bulag, we are not blind followers of the King James Bible. That we actually know why we believe what we believe. Mga kapatid. So the even now there, sabi ko nga po sa inyo kanina, is an idiom, okay, na ginagamit siya para pakita yung urgency ng situation. Urgency. So nung sinabi niya dun sa even now dead, papakita lang sa atin nun na talaga pong nasa bingit na ng kamatayan yung kanya pong anak. And later on, na-receive yung mensahe na patay na nga. Bago dumating